You're looking at a full cinematic product website built entirely with React and an AI generated video. No Blender, no 3.js models, no expensive 3D software, just scroll and watch. I'm Kenneth, and on this channel, we don't just talk about AI, we build with it. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I built this from scratch, and then I'm going to give you the complete code for free so you can swap in your own product and make it yours. If that sounds good, let's go. Alright guys, the download link is in the description. Click it. It will open Google Drive, something like this. Hit the download button and you'll get a zip file. Once it's downloaded, right click it and extract it. You'll get a folder called My 3D Scroll. Now open VS Code. Go to File, open Folder, select the extracted folder and open it. So before we run anything, make sure you have Node.js installed on your computer. Open the terminal in VS Code, type node space -v. If you see a version number like this, you are good. If you get an error, go to nodejs.org, download the LTS version, install it and come back. Now in the VS Code terminal, run npm install. This installs all the dependencies. Wait for it to finish. You will see a known modules folder appear. Then run npm run dev. Open your browser and go to the localhost 5173 port and you should see the website loading with my headphones animation. Now let's talk about how to replace it with your own animation. Go to Google Flow, or you can use Kling AI, Runway or Sora, whatever you have access to. But if you go with Google Flow, it's free. It can generate 2 to 3 videos. Alright, so type a prompt like this: text create a 360-degree spinning Nike shoe on a white background, cinematic product video, slow motion 8 seconds, 4K, or whatever product you want. Shoes, watch, a phone, a car, anything. Just make sure the background is white or black, it looks cleanest. Generate the video and download it. Now go to this website ezgif.com. Video to JPG or video to PNG. I'll put the link in the description. Upload your video, change the format to PNG. Set frame rate to 24, hit convert, then scroll down and click download frame as a zip. Extract the zip, you'll get a folder full of PNG images. Now in VS Code, open the public folder, then open the frame folder, select all the images inside. Delete them all. Now drag and drop all your png frames into this folder. That's it. Now we need to know how many frames you have. In this VS Code terminal, run, if you are using Mac, this command, or if you are using Windows, run this command. Okay, so if you want to calculate, like you want to count it manually, you can count it manually. All right, so now open the source components Hero.jsx. At the very top you'll see these two lines. Okay, so change this 200 to however many frames you have, and check your frames file names. If they look like Ezgif frame 001 png, leave it as is. If they have 4-digit like Ezgif frame 001.png, then change it to 324. Alright, now go back to browser, refresh, and you will see your animation playing as you scroll. That's it. You just built a cinematic Apple style product website with your own AI generated animation. No 3D software, no complicated setup, just AI, React, and a few commands. Alright guys, if you find this video helpful and cool, please hit the like button, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That helps my channel, and also you'll get updates on whatever the videos I bring in upcoming days. So guys, thank you.